You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Let's break it down. This is the name of a dish from Punjabi Indian cuisine, a curry, chickpea curry masala. This is also a name from Spanish. Both cases, the Spanish pronunciation is chole. Now in India, the name of the dish is also chole, chole masala. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.